Welcome to Effortless Cooking, where we make cooking effortless. And today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make honey, garlic, lemon shrimp in a nice, thick, beautiful, glazy sauce that you can literally serve with anything. Make sure you stay tuned while I show you how to prepare this dish. So before we get into it, make sure you guys subscribe, hit that bell notification button, and thumbs up this video. Alright, so what I've got here is some de-headed large shrimp. Any shrimp will work. And before you guys start working on your shrimp or any type of seafood, you want to make sure that you give it a good rinse and it's clean. Now here I'm going to show you guys exactly how far down you want to peel it. So I left a little bit of this tail piece end right here, just like that, just so you can get something to hold on to. All right, so once you de-shelled the shrimp, we're now gonna butterfly it, and we're gonna clean out the poo-poo slash crap slash whatever you want to call this. Now, are you gonna die if you eat it? No, but a lot of people make a big deal out of it. So just, if you got a little bit of time, go on and clean it out. And as far as ingredients, don't worry, I'm leaving all the ingredients and exactly how much you need in the description down below. Certain items will actually have a link to where you can actually purchase it straight from the comfort of your home if you want to make this dish exactly with the same exact ingredients. So in a bowl, you want to mix up all your spices and ingredients and mix it all up with the shrimp. And put that to the side, let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes just to let the flavors marinate. Now in the meantime, we're gonna go on and crush some garlic to peel it really easy. That's just a chef trick in case you guys didn't know. It's super easy to peel some garlic if you just give it a whack, a smash with the back end of your knife. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And so we're gonna mince our garlic nice and fine, nice and thin. And then here I got some flat leaf parsley. And I can't think of any other better pairing than garlic, parsley, lemon, and butter for seafood, period. Just in general. I mean, doesn't pretty much get any better than that. Now you wanna grab your cast iron skillet, get it nice and hot, drizzle in some olive oil or any oil of your choice, and you're gonna want to cook the shrimp for literally maybe about 2 to 3 minutes per side, just until you get a nice light golden crispiness to the shrimp. You're gonna want to look for something like this. If I can just pick this damn shrimp up and show it to you guys if it stops slipping. And here we go, the main attraction. Sorry guys, we were having technical difficulties, but now we're back. But this is pretty much exactly how you want your shrimp to look. It's not overcooked. You definitely don't want to overcook it because we're still gonna cook it just a tad bit more. So just literally enough to get that nice sear on the outside, and it'll be more than ready to go. And once you have those nice seared shrimp, you're gonna want to remove them, because we're gonna go into our next phase. Now don't worry if you have stuck on golden crusty stuff on the bottom of your pan. That's actually a good thing because we're actually going into the next phase, which is deglazing. And it's just a fancy ass term for pretty much getting all those beautiful bits and yum yums off the pan and into our sauce to make our sauce even that much more better, that much more extra special. Now while we're making our sauce, you're gonna wanna do this on medium-low heat. And you gotta make sure you set it on that temperature just so everything doesn't evaporate. You still want a nice thick sauce. Now to this medium-low heat pan, I'm going to be adding all of our minced garlic and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. And we're just gonna let that cook out a little bit. Once it starts thickening up a little bit, we're gonna add another half of a lemon, and we're gonna let that cook off. for roughly about another minute or two until your garlic starts getting nice and tender and sweet and just starts breaking down from the sauce. All right, now once you got it to a texture or consistency that you're happy with, go on and throw the shrimp back in there. And now you're gonna wanna turn down your skillet even more. So kind of towards the lowest setting, not the lowest, but maybe a notch or two right below. And while the shrimp is still cooking in the sauce and incorporating, we're gonna go ahead and drizzle a little bit of honey, or as much honey as you like. And then if you're like me, I like my shrimp a little bit on the sour side, I'm gonna go ahead and throw an extra half of a lemon. Now, if you don't like the extra lemon flavor, just add a little bit of water, maybe about a tablespoon or two, just to break down the honey and so it doesn't become so sticky. And once it's all done, guys, turn off the heat, leave it on the stove for about 5 minutes, let the sauce set. And in the meantime, I'm actually throwing a little bit of parsley on top. And that's it. We made our shrimp. Now guys, if you guys are seafood lovers and you love shrimp, let me know down below what's your favorite way of eating shrimp. And please subscribe, like, share this video with one of your friends if you think one of your friends will like it. I'm out.